I got my driver's license today. It means I can drive alone now. I was so happy. I couldn't wait to tell Maya. Maya was my best friend. I wanted to celebrate with her. I got in my car. I started driving to her house. My hands were shaking. I was excited. Maybe too excited. I turned onto Maya's street. I was driving fast. Too fast. Then I saw him, Maya's little brother. He was 3 years old. He was playing outside the house. I tried to stop, but it was too late. I hit him. The sound was terrible. I heard it. I felt it. He fell. His head hit a block on the ground. He didn't move. I stopped the car. I jumped out. My heart was racing. I couldn't breathe. I ran to him. He was lying there. His eyes were closed. "Please wake up," I said. "Please." But he didn't move. I looked around. No one was outside. No one saw. My hands were shaking so hard. I didn't know what to do. Then I picked him up. He was so small, so quiet. I put him in the back seat of my car. I drove to the hospital. I didn't call anyone. I didn't stop. I just drove. My phone was ringing. It was Maya. I didn't answer. She called again and again. I ignored it. I got to the hospital. I carried the boy inside. "Help him," I told the nurses. "Please help him." They took him from me. They ran with him into a room. I stood there, alone, shaking. My phone buzzed. It was a text from Maya. "Where are you?" I didn't know what to say. My fingers were shaking. I typed slowly. "I'm at the hospital. Your brother had an accident." I sent it. Then I waited. She called me right away. I answered.
"What? What happened?"
She screamed. "I don't know," I lied. "I just found him. I brought him here." I could hear her crying. Then the phone went quiet. I sat down in the waiting room. I put my head in my hands. What did I do? An hour later, Maya arrived. Her parents were with her. They were crying. They ran to the desk. They asked about the boy. Then they saw me. Maya's mom hugged me. She was crying hard.
"Thank you,"
she said.
"Thank you for saving him."
I couldn't speak. I just nodded. Maya's dad shook my hand.
"You saved his life,"
he said. I looked at Maya. She was crying too. Then her parents turned to her. Their faces changed.
"Where were you?"
her dad asked. His voice was angry now.
"You were supposed to watch him,"
her mom said.
"We were at work. You were supposed to take care of him."
Maya looked down.
"I'm sorry,"
she whispered.
"I was inside for just a minute."
"This is your fault,"
her dad said. I wanted to say something. I wanted to tell them the truth, but I was too scared. I just stood there, silent. We waited for hours. Finally, a doctor came out. We all stood up.
"He's alive,"
the doctor said.
"but he's unconscious. He hit his head very hard."
Maya's mom started crying again.
"Will he be okay?"
Maya's dad asked.
"We don't know yet,"
the doctor said.
"But you got him here in time. If you were late, he wouldn't have made it."
Everyone looked at me. Maya ran to me. She hugged me tight. She was crying.
You saved him, Lila.
She said.
You saved my brother.
I couldn't speak. I just nodded. But inside, I felt sick. Days passed. The boy was still in a coma. I went to the hospital every day. Maya's family kept thanking me. You're a hero, they said. But I wasn't a hero. I was a liar. Maya got in trouble every day. Her parents were so angry at her. I watched her cry. I watched her blame herself. And I said nothing. 1 week later, Maya came to my house. It was late. She looked tired.
Can we talk?
She asked. We sat on the porch. She was quiet for a long time. Then she spoke. Her voice was soft.
The doctor said something today.
She said,
They said a car hit him. They found paint on his jacket. Blue paint.
My heart stopped. She looked at my car. It was parked in front of my house. My car was blue. She looked back at me. Her eyes were full of tears.
Do you know anything about that?
She asked. I opened my mouth. I tried to speak, but no words came out. My hands started shaking again. I wanted to tell her. I wanted to say sorry, but I was too scared. Before I could answer, her phone rang. She looked at it. Her face changed.
It's the hospital.
She said. She answered. I watched her face. Her eyes went wide. She started crying.
He's awake.
She said.
My brother just woke up.
She stood up fast. She started running to her car.
I have to go.
She said. She drove away, fast. I stayed on the porch. I couldn't move. Tears ran down my face. Would you tell the truth if you were Lila? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. Lesson of the day, driver's license. A driver's license is a card or paper that says you can drive a car. Examples from the story. I got my driver's license today. More examples. I want to get my driver's license. She passed the test and got her driver's license.